Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English classroom for standard 7. We are learning lesson number 2.3 Abdul becomes a courtier. In this lesson you have seen that Abdul is a son of poor schoolmaster. He is eager to take education. He wanted to learn and read books, but his father cannot provide him books. He says that manuscripts are expensive. They are like a treasure. They are exclusive, precious things, but they are very expensive. I cannot buy books for you. That is the answer of Abdul's father. Even he cannot borrow books from his school for his own son. And he don't have money to buy the books for his son. So Abdul is now unable to read the books. Then Abdul decides that he shall join a job to a rich merchant. He will serve there and earn some money from there and buy book for reading. What happened next? See on page number 31. Abdul approaches a rich merchant. Abdul goes to a rich merchant and says, I am a poor student. Give me a chance to serve. Observe my work. Pay only what I deserve. Abdul says that give me a chance to work with you. First you observe my work. How does I work? Then only you pay me. The merchant says, you appear to be smart. Be my clerk. I shall pay you well if honestly you work. The merchant is ready to keep him as his clerk, and he says that if you work honestly for me, I shall pay you. Some days pass, the merchant calls Abdul. After some days, the merchant calls Abdul and says, I am pleased with your work and loving care. You are indeed a gem quite rare. You have served to me very honestly, and I am happy with your work. You are like a gem. You are like a precious stone in this world, and I want to give you some reward for that. Abdul, excited, may I now read the books in your store? Quench my thirst for knowledge. What was the real reward for Abdul? What reward he want from the merchant? He says that I want to read the books which are in your library. In your store means in your library. I want to read that books. That will be a real and great reward for me. I shall quench my thirst for knowledge. और मुझे इल्म हासिल करने की जो चाहत है, इल्म हासिल करने की जो प्यास है, वो मैं आपकी लाइब्रेरी से बुक्स, आपकी लाइब्रेरी में जो बुक्स हैं उनको पढ़कर मैं अपनी प्यास बुझा सकता हूँ. क्वेंच माय थर्स्ट मीन प्यास को बुझाना. कोरस. Days passed by. He learned and learned, gaining the knowledge for which he yearned. Philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian. Abdul, the scholar, now is one in a million. Will he come to the emperor's notice? Will he be given an honorable office? Now Abdul becomes a great scholar. He reads so many books in the library of rich merchant. The days passed. The Abdul learned more and more, gaining the knowledge for which he yearned. उसको वो नॉलेज मिलते रहता है जिसकी उसको चाहत थी, जो वो पाना चाहता था, हासिल करना चाहता था. yearned. The subjects he learned there philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian. Abdul the scholar now is one in the million. By reading the books, he has become a very precious, knowledgeable person. He has become one in a million. हज़ारों में, लाखों में वो अब एक बन चुका है. By only reading the books. Will he come to the emperor's notice? क्या एम्परर जो किंग है, क्या उसका ध्यान अब अब्दुल की तरफ जाएगा कि इतना वाइज, अक्लमंद, इतना नॉलेजेबल पर्सन मेरी किंगडम में है. Will he be given an honorable office? और उसके इस वर्क के लिए क्या उसको एम्परर के जो कोर्ट में है वो एक ऑफिस मिलेगा, कोई अच्छी जगह उसको नौकरी या काम सर्विस मिलेंगी. Friend, news for you, Abdul. And a friend comes to Abdul and says, the emperor has answered your prayer. The royal Murgi Khana is now under your care. May Abdul have appealed to join in emperor's court. So one of his friend brings a news for him that your prayer has got a answer, your appeal has got a answer. The royal Murgi Khana is now your under care. The royal Murgi Khana is given to you to take care of it. What Abdul says? Abdul, what? The Murgi Khana for me, a scholar? Then Abdul shocks and he says that I am so wise, knowledgeable, educated person, I am a scholar and king is giving me a Murgi Khana. Intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a popularly keeper. Never mind the chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity, I shall put it to good use. What he thinks positively. He thinks that I am wise, sagacious. Sagacious means intellectual means tanha. Sagacious, wise, and astute, intelligent, one who knows how to use a situation in his to his advantage. जो अपॉर्चुनिटी का जो फ़ायदा उठाना जानता है, जो उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी को सिचुएशन को यूज़ करना जानता है, that is called astute. Make a poultry keeper. Poultry keeper means पोल्ट्री फार्म को की जो देखभाल करता है उसको पोल्ट्री कीपर बोलते हैं. तो उसके लिए मुझे अपॉइंट किया है. नेवर माइंड, ही थिंक्स देन पॉजिटिवली दैट नेवर माइंड, मुझे इस बात का बुरा नहीं लगा है. द चांस आई वॉन्ट रिफ्यूज़, जो मुझे एम्परर ने जो चांस दिया है उसे मैं रिफ्यूज़ नहीं करूँगा. इट इज़ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये मेरे लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. आई शैल पुट इट टू गुड यूज़, और मैं इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ज़रूर यूज़ करूँगा. मैं इस अपॉर्चुनिटी से ज़रूर फ़ायदा उठाऊँगा, इसे ज़रूर यूटिलाइज़ करूँगा. सो टुडे वी शैल स्टॉप हियर and we shall learn the next page in the next video. I shall tell you the story and read the text also. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.